Hello, how are you? In this video, we will discuss about all parts of 3D. Adobe Illustrator 2020 have some specific options of 3D, but 2022 and 2023 version have a lot of functions of 3D. Let's get started. Hello, as I told you, we will discuss about the all parts of 3D. So this is the version of 2023. Just go to here and open the advanced options. You can change here workspace if you want to change. So I am going to just take selection tool and select this one and change the size and stroke size will be rounded and change the color. So I am going to open 3D. Here are some more options against the version of 2020. You can see if I click here, these are options previous version, these are the advanced options. Just click on it and this is the panel of 3D. Here is the plane, like your shape will be plane, and this is the extrude like old version. You can give it depthness and also twist. Your shape will be changed into one another shape. And this is the taper and this is the cap. This is also in the old version. This is the bevel. So you can change the setting from here, but remember one thing, your PC will be loaded. If you have a good PC, then you can use this. So I am going to revolve it. Mean your line will be changed into one another shape. Just give it twist because I want a lamp. So I think it's okay. I am going to here material. This is the amazing work. You can change the color and texture of your object. So I select one, just this one. This will be take time. So yes, you can see, and this is the options. You can rotate your object from here. If you want to rotate your object, you can rotate this one. And here are more properties. You can change this and you can use this. And this is the lightning. So these are the more convenient options. You can use this, but one thing, these are all options in the old version, but softness is added more. You can add the shadow. If I click it, yes, you can see this, and you can change the size and rotation of your object. Below object and behind the object, yes, you can see. I think it's okay. Now you can add the light and color. So yes, now you can change into a proper shape. And this is the option of advanced. You can make this HD level. So just go to ray tracing and go to high. This make your image will be too much amazing and too much. Yes, this looks amazing. You can change the size of your shadow. Here is the softness, so please increase this according to your PC. So this looks amazing. Now we are going to see the version of 2020. As you can see, this is the version of 2020. So open the advanced option and you can change the workspace from here. This is the simple interface of Adobe Illustrator CC 2020. I create. So select this and take the color like yellow and off this and select this and go to effect. You can see here are just simple three options. So just click on it and you can see you can change the setting of 3D here individually, but in 2023 you can use the all settings in one option. Just go to here, you can rotate, and here you can change the bevel options, and here you can give depth, and this one you can also in the latest version. You can see the depth and you can change this one from here, and this is the perspective. This makes your shape like original, so you can change this one. So this is the surface, you can change this, and this one is also shading, but in this you cannot make a shadow of any object. This is the light intensity, you can adjust this one, and this is ambient light, mean your light will be bright and your light will be black and decrease. This is highlight size, light will be more convenient. So this is blend step, your shape will be blend, and this is a simple color, shading color but not shadow, and you can see. But in next 3D and rotate, in this you can just rotate. This also having option in the 2023, and next one is revolve, make some good shapes. So here you can change the angle, you can see. This is the cap. If I do this, then you can see here is the cap. And this is the right edge and left edge from up to down, and this is the offset. You can see you can make your shape into one another shape. This is the shading, this is the same light options, you can change also light from here, and if you want to add the light in front side you can adjust this also. Here you can see the difference between this one and this one. You can also add this and you can control this also. Now it's covered. Just there are some options in 3D version of 2020, but a huge option in 2023. This is the map art. You can add the writing or shape or logo on your object, and this is also having in the next version. Do it okay and take this one. Just I am going to write here Ustad graphic, mean teacher of graphics, and change the font size. This is the symbol panel. You can add this one into this and just okay, and select this and go to appearance panel. If you want to now the panel of appearance, you can see my video, link in description. Just click on it and go to map art, and where you want to add the writing or logo, you can see the, and I want to add here. Just go to this one, yes, I think okay. If I do it scale to fit, this will be the whole shape. So just go at front side and okay, shared network, and just hit okay, and here okay. Yes, you can see the whole writing. So I hope you enjoyed. So we are going to stop here. If you are coming here first time, so please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.